Hello 12th class. So this is your chapter Data Structures Part 1 Linear List and lecture number 2. So in the previous class we had studied about data structure, what is data structure and what are its type. So in this class we will just discuss the operations on data structure. So in this class we have just covered these two topics, that is insertion and deletion. So now just let's get started. So apart from insertion and deletion, data structure has these other option also, that is searching, traversal, sorting and merging. In your previous class, we just made a program that is related to the linear list searching. Okay, so in this class you will learn that how to insert element in the list and how to delete element in the linear list. So this is insertion. So insertion can be done by three ways. That insertion at the starting, insertion at the end and insertion at the middle. So here in this diagram, in this picture, you can see that there total 8 elements are there. Total 0 to 8, this is 9 elements are there. So you want to add the element at 5th position. So what you want to insert, that is 35. So you have to make a space to enter 35 at correct position, at the position 5. So what will you do? You have to shift the element toward the downward position. Okay, means toward the right side, so that this 9 is blank now. So you have to shift the element one by one. So it will give you the space so that you are able to insert the element. Okay, so this is insertion in a sorted array. Okay, but the condition is the list should be in a sorted way. This is a condition. Now you can see one more example, that to understand this, just consider the following example. For example, this is a array, this is the array. So you want to insert the element, that is 44. Okay, so where you want to insert? At the index 2. So determine the appropriate position for the new element, that is index 2. Here you want to insert. So here index 2. So after element 33, here you want to insert. So you have to make space. So create space in the end of the array for one element. You have to create a space so the index will also be increased. Now keep shifting element from the right end till index 2. So what will you do? You have to shift the element 6 to 7th position, then 5th element to 6th position, now 4th element to 5th position. In the 4th shifting, 3rd element will be shift at 4th index. So now the space has created. So here you have to insert the element. Okay. So by this way you can insert the element in the middle. Okay. So just now let's get start with our Python program. So here I am showing you that how to insert element in a list. For example, list is your 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is your list. Now you have to ask the user that you have to enter the element that you want to insert. Input. Now enter element to be inserted. Now calculate the length by n variable. Hold the length of this list. Now if x is less than L of 0, if x is less than 0, then what will happen? Then the position will become 0. Else, that is L if x is greater than L of n minus 1, then the position will become last now. Then the position is n, and if it is in the middle, then you have to traverse the element. Okay, traverse the list. So for I in range that is 0 to n minus 1. Now you have to check the element that if the element is less than, okay, you want to insert the element 4, okay, 4 is missing here. So what will you do? First of all, for traversing the list, now the cursor is here at third position, so it will check whether this index, this element is less than x and that greater than this one, this 5, okay, so that the position will get increased, because here we are just running, we are just inserting the condition for creating a position, okay. So you have to write if this L of I is less than equal to x and this L of I plus 1 that is greater than x, okay. So both conditions should be true, only then the position will get increase the index, okay. Now we are getting the position, so till now we are just getting the position. So here we have to insert a element that is none, okay. So now none is append at the last, so here you have to shift the element, so I have to use the reverse loop, okay. So n is position, it will reverse, the loop will run in reverse. So here L of n is equal to L of n minus 1 and n is equal to n minus L, so that the value of n get decreased. Now you have to print it, print L, okay. Now run your program, save your file in the same program folder, that is insertion. So you have to enter the element that is to be, for example, 4, okay, this one, this is the length should be there. Now run it again, that is 4, okay. So till now you can see that when you are inserting the element, the 5 will come, okay, this 5 will come. So what will you do? You have to print the position, okay, so just write L of position that is equal to x, so that that position the variable x will get insert, and then you have to print L, okay. So now check, that is 4. So now you will get the list, that is this one. Earlier the list was this, now the list is gets changed, so the 4 will inserted at the correct place, okay. So you have to just remember that this list should be in a sorted way, okay, because here we are performing the operation on a linear list, okay, so it should be sorted. Now next is deletion. So in deletion, in the insertion we are just shifting the element at the right side. So here in deletion we have to shift the element at the left side. So here you want to delete the element 22, okay. So this 22 will get increased, so there is a space, so that you have to shift the element towards the left side, okay, so that the last one will be the blank, okay. So in the previous class, we did a program that is linear searching. So before deleting any element, you have to search that element and then you have to discuss. Then you have to delete it. So I am just copying that code that you have to search the element. You searching is clear now. Okay. So for deletion, you have index now. So how will you delete? You have to print the index. That what is the index now? Now you have to ask the user, okay, you have the element should be deleted, so print the deleted item is, so what is the item? That pop will show, this is L dot pop, you know the pop function, okay, it will just remove the element from the list, index Okay, that particular index will get deleted. So print, what is the list? This is M. So now just run it. This is your deletion. So you have to enter the list. For example, this is your list. Now enter the element to be deleted. For example, 5 I want to delete. Okay, index is not found. So let me check that what is the error now. This print index, it is not found, this one. Let me check. Okay, this M print index. Let me check this. So in this code, this is deletion. So what is the error in this code? That I forgot to erase this line, that you have to mention the index, okay, or any variable, that index is equal to m dot index. Okay, so you have to write this line, then you have to print index and it will delete the item. So run it again. So now just enter the list, for example this one. So enter the element that you want to delete, that is suppose 4. So the deleted item is 4. Okay, that's why that so that this 4 will get deleted. Okay, why this 3 will come? Because I have uh, there is something that is print index, that's why the index is showing you. Okay, enter element, that this print, the third one is the index now, 0 1 2 3. That's why this 3 will come, and the deleted item is 4, so 4 will get deleted. So next is, okay, your homework. So in this class I just explained that how to insert the element and how to delete the element. You have to write these code in Python and just try by your own. Okay, so just thank you and have a nice day.